video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a HUD script by Perl scripts into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which you're going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, go to shared, then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. So in the framework section, I'll be changing the autodirect to QB over here. You can change it according to the framework which you are using. The always show minimap is going to be false. You can change it according to your use. So that's it for the config part. Before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default HUD script from your resource folder. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is the HUD script which we have installed into our FiveM server. On the top right you can see the player status, which shows the player's ID, cash, bank and the job. In my right you can see the speedometer and the details of the vehicle. So you can see the visuals of the HUD in the night time over here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.